Hey, Susie, what's going on?
Hey, welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. I'm his wife, Susie, and we got a product today, a free product from a vendor that we're going to do a paid review on. We're going to take a look at this splint.
Okay.
And this is a splint to help maintain the foot in a neutral position during the night while you're sleeping.
Okay.
So let's see how the guy works.
Okay.
So first I'm just going to undo all of the Velcro straps. All right. Put my foot in here. So the first one goes around my ankle.
Okay.
Second one, oops. Second one here. The Velcro's really good.
Good.
So the straps aren't going to come undone. This one comes around here on your calf. Oops. And you get those snugged up. And then this one comes up the top. Oh, this one first, I'm sorry. There. This one comes up the top, and then you cinch this up so your foot stays in about like a 90-degree
All right.
angle. So
It stays in a neutral position while you sleep.
yeah.
Perfect.
Interesting.
Interesting. Great.